Okay, today I am going to do experiment on Gemini 3. This experiment is not about some writing skill and some conversational skill. I am going to make Gemini 3 to build a website, to build a 2D games and so many more things. And don't worry, I am not going to blast a bomb on Gemini 3. I am going to make it work for some basic things which is like more famous in nowadays on internet. And I am going to check Gemini 3 is really a worth of hype. How much hype has been created of Gemini 3 since release day? Is it really worth it, or it's something like a unbalanced and some unreleased or some paid hype? Let's see what is going to do Gemini 3. Okay, come with me. We will be doing experiment on Gemini 3 and will not waste lots of time, and we will starting. Before starting I will do what? I will just first task I will give Gemini 3. Before that I need to record the whole screen, and I'm going to take the record of whole screen. Okay, I will ask first build I will go with the Google AI Studio. Build a 2D game. Build a 2D game where a boy is jumping from building to building. Like, I'm going to give it the simple task, not more heavy task. Building to building. Okay, while it is building, I am going to see how like it will build. Let me see how it is going to build. Okay, while Gemini 3 is building, what I found, like Gemini, you are giving any kind of task to these days AI, the AI is more compatible to do any kind of work, like not in a huge amount, not in a very deep, not in a very like a heavy work, but it is going to do some light work, some basic works, especially when it comes to prototype. Like, suppose I have an idea, like I have a huge idea about something, some website, some app, some game. So I can, what happens to used to earlier, like for prototype also I have to do a lots of hard work, but nowadays it's become little bit easier. Nowadays what happens, like I just go to the some AI, like it's a Gemini, GPT, or any Cursor, Replit, Cloud, any of them. I'll just go and write some prototype. I need this, I need a game, I will want to build this kind of game, I need to build this kind of website, and AI is going to do all the kind of job. Like whatever the need is, AI is going to fulfill. But when it comes to like, everyone has a doubt, like is really AI is going to build something what we need to for starting our own company, earning from that app, earning from website? The answer is like yes also and no also. Like, you can take an example, you can take a help of AI, but you can't totally rely on the AI. The AI is that much advanced also nowadays. But we'll talk again. And the AI built this game, and the AI gave this game named Skyliner Runner, and I will start. Let me see like how it works, and I'm going to rate all the experiment, all the task. Okay. Oh my god, I'm very poor at game. Okay. Oh, it's a kind of some software game, like some. Oh my god, it's working perfectly, and I'll give it like it is not able to jump like a big building, but what I found, like it can build when it comes to building a 2D game. This kind of simple games, like when we used to play this kind of game in our smartphone, like an offline game, or some like the software game. Not a software game, it's a kind of like the system game. We call it the Android system where the game is coming. It's the similar like that. So what is the problem? I noticed like it is not able to render the whole 3D game, like how the PUBG is, BGMI is, like it's not able to render that according like that, but it's able to build a 2D game, like a simple 2D game. If I will give it the task to build some 3D, like a 3D game, heavy game, it will not able to build. Okay, it's time to give it the rating, and I will give the rating of like out of 10, I will give it like 7.5, because I just asked it to build a 2D game. I didn't ask it to build a 3D game, and it built like what I was expecting. It was according to expected result. Gemini 3 like rely on my expectation. Let's see and what is he going to for the next project, right? For the next experiment. So this experiment I gave it the 7.5 out of 10. And next experiment number 2, I'm going to give the task of experiment number 2 like what task I'm going to give. Okay, build a 3D website. Build a 3D website. Let me change something, like I need to give it like some harder task. Then I am going to check the level of Gemini 3. Is it really worth the hype or it's just a hype? Build a 3D website for a supercar company. Oh, I love supercar. For a supercar company. The text, the prompt, like the prompt should be simple. It shouldn't be like more explained or something different. Like just give the simple prompt, and after once you see the result, then you can make the change. Okay. Let's see Gemini 3 is capable to build this 3D car website or not. Like it's not a 3D car, it's a supercar company website. I asked it to build in a 3D website. Let's see. And what is going to happen, like while it is building, like I have a few days earlier I just make a video on like how you can earn money from AI apps. Not actually how you can earn, like how someone is earning money from AI apps. So what I especially I also learned from that video, like while I was researching for that video, like what I found, like there are different creators who just make some apps. It's not a fully made on AI. What they did, like they make whole front end from the AI. They took help from AI for the back end, but they use their own brain also. They use their own skill also to monetize it, to market it. There are lots of factors which will help you to monetize or to earn money. So I think we should not totally rely on AI for everything. Like we should not make our thought system like well, AI can do everything. No, AI can't do everything. AI can help you to do everything. Like AI is become like that. AI will be like it will be like a smartphone. Like you are seeing in every jobs hour, whatever the jobs we are doing right now, it's either we are studying, either we are doing our professional works, either we are just in taking entertainment. The mobile phone became the part of our life. Similarly, the AI will be the part of our life. Like before that, like we need to see it build some toy supercar company. Oh my god, I asked him to build like a real supercar company, but it built some toy. Let me check like what I can do. Oh my god, the color is changeable. Like I need to just give this red color. Why blue? Rim should be like this. No, rim should be yellow. Like I make something unique, man. Gloss or matte. Okay. Oh my god, there is a chatbot system. I didn't ask for it. Let me ask something. Clocked 1 minute electric bull image, blue blazing. Oh, this chatbot system, like actually what it did, like it explains the what I made, but it will like some decent, but it's not what I expected. I expected to build some supercar company website, but it gave me like some kind of like a website where I could change the color, I could change the I could design the 3D car. So okay, it's done. We'll rate it because we have to experiment more tasks also. Neither I will make some change also, but we'll do sometime later. So for now I will see, let me see in the full screen once. Oh, I love this. I truly love these things. Like there is a 3D effect, man. In one, like 3 like in 3-4 words, they make this kind, like it's a good stuff. In 4 words they design this kind of website. It's a good work. I love this. I love it. I love with playing 3D cars. Okay, but it was not my expectation. So I will rate this task like out of 10, like 6 out of 10. Yeah, 6 out of 10. Yeah, it is like that was worth it. Like I could make it better, like by explaining more or by adding some more what I want, what is my expectation, but I didn't give anything. And in 4 words, it's a decent website. Okay, for next task I will just go back. And for next task is to build a. Next task will be like I need to, like next task I am going to make it some interesting. It will be not some building website or some games. Let me do experiment. Like I will first of all I will download some workflow of n8n. Let me download the workflow of n8n. Okay, some n8n workflow photo. Enter more apps, roll camera, top 47 workflow. WhatsApp Business Cloud. Let's go with this. We can go with this. Oh my, I just need a picture, man. I don't want the detailed explanation. I just want to check like it is able to explain or not. Okay, we'll take this. This picture is okay. We'll download this. Save image. Download. Okay, I have downloaded one workflow photo. I don't know what it's about. I'm going to totally rely on Gemini 3. It is really able to explain this workflow or not. Okay, I'll just upload a photo which I have downloaded now. Explain this workflow and what is about and what it is about, and tell me and explain it in a very simple language. My viewers would understand this, and explain it in very simple language. Okay, while they are building like not building, they are explaining actually the workflow. And what I found, like nowadays this workflow are also helping a lot in businesses, like a lot. Like one of my friend, like few of my friends are working on this, like on different workflow. They are building some workflow with beautiful UI, and they are able to sell that workflow to the businessman, like for the different business, for the specific business. Like they are building some voice agents, they are building some personal chatbots, they are building product management, they are building data management, where me and our team are also working on that. And let's see, we will update whatever we will be building, but let's see it is able to explain or not. But I think this n8n workflow or make.com, you can use lots of platform to make this kind of like basic AI agents, not agents, like some artificial pre-trained agent, But now we will see the explanation in very simple language. Imagine this workflow is a digital robot reporter that wakes up once a day and tell you about the most popular new computer coding projects called the repos are on GitHub. And here the wake up call, she will trigger, the robot takes up a specific time every day, the hunter top middle, the trending repo, it goes online in GitHub and asking what coding projects are trending or popular, and research top at GitHub, reading clicks on readme, is like reading on the back of the brain, the AI part of the bottom, Gemini chat model, is taking the news emails, you will the information summary into the nice email and send it to your inbox, so you can read it over coffee and transact. Oh, actually this workflow is about seriously I didn't know about this workflow, but from here, what is actually about this workflow? This workflow is about they made a workflow, an n8n workflow, which is able to every day, at every morning, at a specific time, the time is fixed. At every morning, they will go to the GitHub and they will search, they will find there what is going on trending, which coding, which project is trending, which project is going more viral, and they will take the code and it will give to you in the summary. This project this project is trending on the GitHub, this project is trending on the internet, and you can work on this. So I think this is a decent, this was a decent explanation. So I will rate a 8 out of 10. The rating will be the 8 out of 10 for this explanation. And this was a simple also, any AI will be doing these things. And it was just check it can do some basic task also or not. It can do some explanation task also or not. Okay, now it's time to now it's time to build something curious, something new. And I tried this. I should be not lying with you. I already tried this, and it has built a fabulous. I love it. Let me show you. No, I will show you by building. How could I show you without building? You will be not trusting me. Okay, simple, nothing. Build a website where a 3D website, where a 2D image will be converted into 3D render avatar. Yeah, we can. Okay, it will be decent. I'm not going to explain a lot. Like lot of explanation is confusing the AI. If I want some changes, I will make it change. Okay, while they are building, actually what is about this project? Like few hours earlier, I was trying the Gemini because I need to make a video on Gemini, and that's why. And I didn't make a video on Gemini while it released because that time my end semester was going on, so I didn't get a time to build a video on Gemini. But now I got a time. So what is the problem? What is about this project? Not what is about this website. This website is about ask it to build a website where you can convert a 2D image into 3D. The website didn't give me the result. They didn't fulfill my expectation, but they did something right. Like they did something fabulous. What they did, it built a website where I can change my background. Like I can make my background transparent. And why I am saying it is a fabulous job? Because while I am editing a video, while I am doing any kind of a work on content, I need a lots of photo where I need to change my background, where I need to change a lots of time. And what I found it will be in free of cost. It is not charging. But I will show some website where it is charging. Like Adobe is also charging. Like one free background remover is also charging. So there are lots of platform which is charging. Like I will show you. Let me show you. Background remover. There is a premium system. We'll just upload a file. We'll just upload this file. No. Let me upload my photo. This file. Okay, while it's working, let me show you. While you will download, what you will found while you will download, there is a premium for unlocking the high quality, high resolution. You have to pay some money. You have to pay some amount. But what I have built, what I got to know, let me show you. While it is building, I will show what I built few hours earlier. I built this website. This is where 2D image is converted into 3D. I will make it the full screen. Okay. I'll do nothing. I will just upload my photo again. It's a previous video thumbnail. So I will just upload this. Change image. No, sorry. Generate 3D image. Actually, it will not generate 3D image. It will just remove the background. But I asked it for something else, but it builds in mistake, in hurriness. It builds something which is useful to me. It's very useful to me. I will get the high resolution result in free of cost, in 4-line prompt. 4-word prompt. Oh, it's not able to erase the. But it increased the resolution. Let me change the picture. It's not able to, but that time it works, man. I will use this image. Okay. Let me change it. Why it's taking time? Oh, I told you, it's working. So okay, it has literally changed. It also increased the resolution. It has increased the resolution. It make it more like a AI made. I did really like that. This website has been made within 4 words. What did you expect in 4 words? But it has changed, and it's not only about the changing. I can change some prompt also. It's optional. I can give some instruction from here, but I can download also. That's the interesting thing. How they downloaded. It's downloaded, man. Yeah, downloaded. How nowadays AI are so sufficient, so efficient. They are building anything within 4 lines. I'm not able to imagine how world is in which direction the whole world is going. There was a time to just change the background of an image. We need to do in a Photoshop we have to drawing the paint with the pen to just change the background. But now within one click, and we are building our. The interesting thing is We are building our own specific website for our own work. Like, oh, we will not work on some other website. We will be building. We will be changing our photo background on our own website. This became the reality. Okay, we will not talk more. We will just see it build that 3D website or not. Where is it, man? Where it is? Where it was building? Here. Oh, what is it asking for? I will give the API. Done. Now it asked for me an API. I will do the full screen. Actually, it build the same, but there is something called I just add on the avatar, and the website actually the modification, the building of website is very simple, like very simple, too simple, like in a blue color, simple, like in a simple word text. But let me see, it is able to do the result or not. Whatever the result I am expecting, I will use this photo. Pixar realistic claymation. I will claymation. Okay, it's a time to check. Error. Why it is showing error? Please check your plan and billing details for more information. Oh, due to the, I think, API I got expired. My API is got expired, so I need to check it. Let me do some changes. Okay, I will just make a change without API. Accessible. Because I need to show you guys like it is working or not. It's not a some kind of a like I'm guaranteeing like it will able to build. I'm just experimenting, and let's see like, what is going to happen. We need to experiment like lots of time on the different AI tools. We learn lots from that. Actually, while we experiment, we are able to. It's a way of learning. Like experimenting is the way of learning. By just doing same things like copying from someone other, just doing same thing, we will not learn anything like ever, like never. So let's see it is able to do or not. And one last task has given, like I need to create a ad video. For that I think I need to write a prompt now. While it is creating, I will just ask Gemini to write a prompt for me for my ad video. Okay, Gemini. Okay, I need a professional ad video for my company called analytical, which is AI and automation company. Make this ad in animation form. It will not on some. It will in animation form where all my services should be explained. Write prompt for this. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll just copy the prompt from here, and I'm going to paste in the Vue 3.1. Like we should check the Vue 3.1 also. Like why we should waste our time. Okay, while it is doing some modification in this website. Okay, now it's ready to create. Look, I will upload my image. Which image I should upload? This image. Okay, every time the same image. Auto form. Oh, I'm getting the same thing. Like you exceed your quota, please check your limits, billing limits. Oh, why it is showing you exceed your quota? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Like I don't think like this website will be able to convert like a normal photo into 3D render for like avatar. Why I'm saying this? I have tried this earlier also. It was not able to do. So I will just stop here, because not stop. I'm not going to end this video. I'm going to stop this project, like this task here. And one problem is like my quota, my API also got expired. I did like I renew it some like many days or like few months earlier, so I think it's expired. So I will stop this task here, and according to the earlier task, like what I built few hours ago and I showed it you right like just few minutes ago, according on to that task, I'm going to rate this task like for 4 out of 10, like 4 out of 10 and the 3 we will go with 3 out of 10. Why I'm saying, like at that time also the website was not able to remove the background of all the images. This time also I don't think like this website will be able to create a normal image into a 3D clay work like in any 3D avatar. So I think we'll rate this much, and we'll go for and we'll see for next task, the next and last So okay, we'll check that Gemini 3 able to. Oh, it's creating the video, man. I just asked for the prompt. It will take a lots of time. I just asked for the prompt. Just give me the prompt. I'll do just some changes. Write prompt for this. And we'll create video on Google Flow. I think that gives a like good result, and I have a more limit also. Here we can only create 3 videos, but here we can create like there is 1,000 credits. Okay. Add new project. They are like last previous creation. How much credits remaining? 740. It's enough to create it. Okay, we'll just copy. We'll copy from here. Which I should go with. Okay, we'll like go with this much prompt. Where it went, man. Okay, will be text to video and go. It will take some time, and while Gemini 3 is not Gemini 3.0 View 3.0 is creating a video like a ad video for my company Analytical, which is an AI and automation company. But I need to say something like I have created the one ad for NPL also, like Nepal Premier League, and that ad was a like decent ad, like not decent, that was a good ad. And this ad has been created like few days earlier, and this ad was created by me like fully with AI. There is no touch of human. We just add some clips. We just generated lots of clip and we add it, like merge it, and we have generated the even sound also from AI. And that sounds I think I have been generated from like 11 labs. So what I found, like we can create easily like any ads, like 1 minute 30 seconds ads from AI. It has created the ad, and I will see how it is looking. Let me run in the full screen.
Drowning in manual work.
It's a fully scientific, like a futuristic ad, robotics ad.
Drowning in manual work.
It's very short. It's not as I expected. Let me watch this. It always creates like a 2 video every time.
Automate your workflow. Get instant insights and accelerate growth. Eliminate manual chaos and automate your workflow.
This is like good than earlier one.
Instant insights and accelerate
it is good than earlier one.
Analyzing.
This one.
Eliminate manual chaos and automate your workflow.
Okay. It is like good than earlier one, like number one whatever it created. It was so simple and nothing more, like no more cuts, no more creation. But in second one there is a creation. But what is the, like here is the most important thing, like whenever we are creating ad video from Google AI or any kind of View 3 or Sora or any video generating platform, what we have to do, like we have to divide our prompt in different parts. It was just experimental video, so we just gave you a single prompt. In any single prompt, it is not going to create a video, like ad for you. We have to divide our prompt like part 1, part 2, part 3, whatever your requirement. And according to the requirement, it is going to create it the whole, like it is going to create the whole video. And you just have to merge it. Like first of all, generate some sound from 11 Labs, from Suno, like from any platform, from any AI. There are multiple AI platform which is capable to generate a free AI sounds. And then just according to your product, according to your needs, just write some prompt and just make sure like you will be dividing that prompt. You will be not giving all the prompts in one, because VO3 is not that much sufficient also. Not VO3, VO 3.1 is not that much sufficient also. Like it will create all the ads, like all the creation in just because it is only capable to create 8-second video, and it will not create like so lengthy video. So you just have to create a multiple clips, just merge it, and the ad will be ready, and you can watch which ad I have created, and just hit the subscribe button also, because it's important to us. So I'm going to rate this last task on 5 out of 10. Why I'm giving 5? Because I earlier told like it is not according to my expectation. But why I'm giving? Because I didn't explain the prompt like in a part wise. Like I just give the single prompt, and I'm expecting to create a sufficient ads. What is my expectation? I don't think it will be able to do like in upcoming few months also. So I think I will give the 5 because I have created earlier ads from VO 3.0, and I think that is good enough. Like I can't say that is decent. That was good enough. So from here, like I will add I will rate it 5 out of 10. And for today, this much only. Keep watching, keep growing with me. See you in the next video.